Performance, effectiveness, and sustainability of these products. Organic compounds have been a cornerstone of cleaning and personal hygiene products for centuries, and the industry has seen a great deal of innovation in recent years. These innovations have aimed to improve the effectiveness, safety, and sustainability of these products, and have resulted in a range of new compounds, techniques, and technologies. In this article, we will explore some of the latest trends and innovations in the use of organic compounds in cleaning and personal hygiene products, with a focus on their applications in soap, detergents, and odor eliminators. The use of natural and plant-based compounds is driving innovation in the production of soap, detergents, and odor eliminators. Natural and plant-based compounds are often biodegradable and derived from renewable sources, making them more environmentally friendly than synthetic compounds. For example, coconut oil and palm oil are commonly used as key ingredients in soap and detergent production, providing a natural and effective alternative to synthetic compounds. Similarly, enzymes derived from natural sources like microorganisms are being used in odor eliminators to break down odor-causing compounds. The development of new surfactants is also driving innovation in the production of soap and detergents. Surfactants are compounds that help to remove dirt, grease, and other contaminants from surfaces. New surfactants are being developed that are more effective and more environmentally friendly than traditional surfactants. For example, surfactants derived from sugar and other natural sources can be used as alternatives to synthetic surfactants, providing a more sustainable and effective solution for cleaning. Advanced purification and filtration methods are also being used to improve the quality and safety of soap, detergents, and odor eliminators. Companies are using advanced techniques like reverse osmosis and nanofiltration to remove impurities and contaminants from water and other ingredients. These methods help to ensure that cleaning products are safe and effective for use. The use of nanotechnology is also driving innovation in the production and use of soap, detergents, and odor eliminators. Nanoparticles can be used to improve the performance and effectiveness of these products. For example, nanoparticles can be used to improve the delivery of active ingredients in soap and detergents, making them more effective at removing dirt and other contaminants. In odor eliminators, nanoparticles can be used to improve the absorption and retention of fragrances, making them more effective at masking unpleasant odors. The implementation of sustainable practices in the production and use of soap, detergents, and odor eliminators is also becoming increasingly important. Companies are implementing sustainable practices like reducing waste and using renewable energy sources to minimize their environmental impact. For example, waste materials can be recycled and reused in the production of new cleaning products, reducing the need for new raw materials. The implementation of sustainable practices can help to promote a more environmentally friendly industry and to reduce the carbon footprint of these products. In addition to these trends, there is also a growing focus on the development of new technologies that can improve the performance and effectiveness of soap, detergents, and odor eliminators. For example, artificial intelligence (AI) can be used to develop predictive models that can help to optimize the formulation and production of these products. AI can also be used to identify new and innovative formulations that can improve the performance and effectiveness of cleaning products. In conclusion, the use of organic compounds is driving significant advancements in the production and use of soap, detergents, and odor eliminators, from the use of natural and plant-based compounds to the development of new surfactants and the implementation of advanced purification and filtration methods. The use of nanotechnology and the implementation of sustainable practices are just a few of the latest trends in the industry.